In this video, I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech function in CapCut. So make sure that you have CapCut downloaded on your phone and then choose the video that you wish to edit. Now from here, all we have to do is just to type a text on the specific video that you have chosen. I'm going to have like around 2 sentences here, and let's test on how to do that text on text-to-speech. So after writing your sentences, all you have to do is just to tap on this text to speech, and then it will give you these options of voices. It can be a child or a man or a woman, or any voices which has good and high quality that you can use. And then once you tap on that certain voice, you can just click this apply to all on the bottom left, so that it will be applied to the rest of your text on your video. So let's listen.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe if these tutorials are useful.
And that's how we're going to use text-to-speech on CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.